worshiping people, and we have not sent you, O Muhammad, except as a mercy to the world. Honorable President, respected Chief Guest, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I am Laik Ali Asghar from District Public School, Shivpura. Today, the subject matter of my declaration is dedicated to the great personality for whom the verse is revealed, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. Yes, Prophet of mercy, Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Muhammad, peace be upon him, a mercy for entire world, a mercy for servants, a mercy for beggars, a mercy for believers, a mercy for enemies, a mercy for all creation, a mercy for all that exists. Hazrat Muhammad, a mercy for entire universe. Yes, Hazrat Muhammad, a mercy for entire universe. My dear audience, many people assume that Prophet Muhammad simply came to this world to spread Islam, and there is one notion that he did this on the third sword. Today, I invite you all to a journey through my speech to help examine things from a different angle. I invite you all to separate preconceived ideas and notions and limitations aside and imagine Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a mercy for entire universe. My dear audience, if we look back in history, we see conquest of Makkah, when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, forgave Abu Sufyan, who was the greatest enemy of Islam. He forgave Hinda, who chewed the liver from the Amir Hamza and wore his body parts as a necklace. He forgave all the people who tortured him. We will see the battle of Badr when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, forgave all the enemies who were in front of him as prisoners. We see when people of Taif injured Rasulullah, and Rasulullah did not only forgive them but teach them and pray for the guidance of right path. We see the woman who threw garbage and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Prophet Muhammad did not only forgive her but helped her to inheritance. We see Prophet Muhammad tremble with sorrow when witnessing the camel struggling with a heavy load of despair. We see you say, have mercy on those who are on planet Earth, and you will have mercy by him who is in heaven. We see him having mercy on every creation on earth, as he is a mercy for entire universe. Whenever my warning heart send peace and blessings upon you, it tastes happiness, but lost in love. Oh my Master, oh Muhammad, mercy upon mankind, mercy upon mankind. Advanced Meriah writes that greatness of purpose, smallness of means, and outstanding results are three criteria to make genius through mercy. Who would dare to compare anyone with Muhammad, peace be upon him? The principle of mercy, forgiveness, equality, and brotherhood has been taught by every great religion, but the last prophet put it into actual practice and achieved great success. Thus, Owen proves that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, demonstrated peace, justice, mercy, forgiveness, and superiority on earth. The more we relate to Prophet's method, the more the cradle of peace gets inscribed. So let's accept the leadership of Prophet of mercy, as Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as only hope survival. May Allah help us and let us follow his path. And then I would like to conclude my words like this. Muhammad, oh Muhammad, peace be upon him.